Greetings, fellow tech enthusiasts. Ever wondered how you can develop a Python-based chatbot? Today's your lucky day. Firstly, let's break down what a chatbot is. In computer speak, it's an automated program designed to engage with received messages. Think of it as your customer support superhero, answering queries and never needing a coffee break. So, let's start cooking a chatbot. First, you need to install the Python. If you haven't done this already, it's like going to a gunfight with a water gun. Let's write our first piece of code. Don't worry if Python hisses a bit, it's usually friendly. Up next, we have to dance with the logic adapters. Sounds like a sci-fi film, but it's really all about telling your bot how to respond. Here we imbibe our bot with the power of logic adapters, pretty cool, eh? Now remember, every bot should go to school. In this case, the chatterbot corpus of data. Let's train our bot to be as wise as Yoda, without the weird grammar. The following Python code makes our bot much smarter. It's like feeding it a steady diet of trivia nights and scholarly articles. Okay, now if you followed me so far and liking the content, would be really appreciated if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Bonus point if you share this with your friends. No, seriously, please share it, my cat needs to eat. Now for the moment of truth. Let's test how smart our student has become with some testing. With this Python code, feel free to converse with your bot. Remember, it won't make the participants laugh like Sheldon's fun with flags, but it's a fun tech gimmick. Amazing. You've just created your own Python-based chatbot. Don't let the power go to your head though. You are not built on yet. Thanks for sticking around, guys. Remember, a great coder is like Batman, always learning and evolving. So keep watching, keep learning, and maybe share some bat signals to this video, eh? Cheers until next time.